Hello. I hope you had a happy Monday. Tonight I'm going to discuss a little bit about eyes and how we can have tired eyes when we're watching sign all day. Okay. If you are an ASL student or someone who is involved in the deaf community and go to deaf socials, you will notice at the end of the day or night, when you leave, you are exhausted. And if you not paid attention, your eyes are exhausted as well as your body. And that's because you're having to use them to get information. A deaf kid or a deaf adult has the same experiences every day. Deaf adults may not, and may be used to it in normal everyday conversation, but if they go off to a workshop or anywhere where there's a lecture and they're having to watch, then of course their eyes are going to get tired. Think about your eyes being muscles, and if you have, example, your arm, if you're holding something up forever and you go down, your arm is sore, and yeah, it'll get over it, but you're probably not going to want to lift anything up again for a while, right? Same with your eyes. If you're focused on one thing, an interpreter or a signer, and you're watching and watching and watching and intaking without a break, then it's going to be hard and your eyes are going to get tired fast. So here's some tips for teachers of the deaf or even educational interpreters, and for deaf kids or even sign language students at deaf socials. So teachers, make sure that your kids are getting breaks in between. If there's a lecture, make sure that they can get up and do something, or at least focus on something else other than watching. If you've had a guest speaker come to there, then when they leave, don't start giving them instructions on something else. Give them a brain break, one of the exercises or something. Educational interpreters, if there's a lecture going on and it's lasting a long time and you notice that your student is tired, eyes are tired from watching the whole time, don't be afraid to hold the information and let them look off, and then when they come back, summarize it. It's fine. If they may not be doing it they may not be looking around just because they're distracted. It may literally be they need a break from their eyes, and you will know if you know your student. Deaf or sign language students, if you need a break and your eyes are tired, here's a trick you can use when that happens. So take your hands, your one hand shape, and put them in front of you like this, and focus on your fingerprint, and just focus, stare for a while. Then after you've done that for a little bit, look just past, and you will see like part of your finger here. It looks like a little sausage or sausage. And you could even go like this, and it'll get bigger and smaller in between your fingers in the middle. You'll see it. It's like a trick with your eyes. And then you can focus back on that. And that, it's like exercise. It's like a stretch of your muscles so your eyes are ready to go again. It helps. And it might take a little bit of practicing to see it, the little thing. But don't give up. It's like one of those optical illusions. And it works. So even teachers of the deaf, deaf kids should practice playing around one lesson or something to show them how to do it. That way, when they're in a situation where they can't get a break, they can give themselves a break while the lecture's going on, just to stretch out those eye muscles and be ready. I hope that you guys are doing well, and I will see you next time. I'll upload the list of the topics for future. Bye, guys.